How will the new Google Sheets and Excel integrations make collaboration easier for teams that do not work directly in Edge?
So we know that many Edge users use both Google Sheets and or Microsoft Excel as a way to collaborate with domain experts or really anybody who doesn't regularly work in Edge. And so as a way to make this collaboration smoother, we've implemented these new integrations. It allows for both reading and writing, so you can push a controlled vocabulary from Edge into Google Sheets or Excel and then pull it back in, so you can collaborate that way. You could also do something really cool, which is use shackle data validation constraints from Edge to check the data that your domain expert is entering in a spreadsheet that's outside of Edge.
Can you briefly explain why you're focusing on unstructured data?
Yes, so most data is unstructured. Unstructured data is just anything that doesn't follow a consistent format. So this could be text files, PDFs, Word documents, PowerPoints. These kinds of files tend to live in content management systems like SharePoint or Adobe Experience Manager. So we're seeing a lot of customers that want to take advantage of this unstructured data. Often it's because of the rise of large language models and generative AI. This unstructured data is increasingly important. But when you go into a CMS, it can be very messy. And how do you get those insights out while ensuring that you're building safe and secure applications? Knowledge graphs. Knowledge graphs can help in three important ways. One is by integrating directly with the CMS so that you can categorize and classify all of the content in there. Two is ensuring that the taxonomy that you use to categorize and classify that content aligns with the taxonomies or other controlled vocabularies that you're using to classify and categorize and manage all of your other data across your enterprise, structured or unstructured. And then three is data governance. So ensuring that the data governance policies that you need to enforce across your enterprise are also applied to this unstructured data so that you can build safe and secure and compliant applications.
What's the key benefit of the AEM and SharePoint integrations for organizations managing unstructured data?
So the goal of the CMS integrations is to unlock unstructured data in your CMS so that you can use it in your knowledge graph and for downstream applications. The first version of this integration will be part of Edge 8.2, and we have two capabilities. One is tag alignment, so reading and writing of the terms stored in your Edge instance with the terms stored in your CMS term store, so you can ensure that you're using the same terms across your enterprise, share vocabularies across, whether that's for structured or unstructured data. And then two is auto classification, so automatically reading files from your CMS into Edge and then using a vector database to suggest tags to be applied to that content.
How will the new GraphRag feature improve AI-driven applications like chatbots or document generation?
So Edge now has a vector database as part of its infrastructure, or an optional part of its infrastructure. And so as of Edge 8.2, users can query both the vector database and the knowledge graph with the same Sparkle query. So this means you can send a natural language phrase to the vector database, but filter the results using the knowledge graph. And this is the first step towards building advanced recommendation engines, GraphRag applications like chatbots, and even document generation tools.
How can I test out these new features?
So the beta version of both the Google Sheets integration and the Microsoft Excel integration, they're available for all Edge users out of the box in Edge 8.2. So please test them out and send us all of your feedback so that we can improve them in the future. The other features I mentioned, so Adobe Experience Manager integration, SharePoint integration, auto classifier using the vector database, and querying the vector database through a Sparkle endpoint, those are not available for all users out of the box. If you'd like to see a demo of those features or to try them out, reach out to your account rep and we can organize that, and ask how you could partner with us as we continue to build out these unstructured data use cases.